First, we're going to blend these pretzels in the NutriBullet. All right, next we're going to put in the bowl. It's okay to have a few pieces. All right, let's get our melted peanut butter next. All right, this is probably about a half a cup. Now I'm going to add some honey. Now I'm not measuring any of this. So we're going to add some honey in here. Or you can use maple syrup, but I'm just using some honey. I'm going to mix it, and the last thing after get mixed, you're going to add the chocolate chips. Add chocolate chips. All I have left, and I'm going to mix it. So I made only a few, and I sprayed the pan a little bit. And only a few, and there they are. I'm going to bake them about maybe 8 minutes or a little less. And that's it.